We established a goal several years ago to develop a culture of caring with our employees. It takes a while to develop a culture. As we talked about a mission statement, we kept saying that we are much, much more than just an airline. Our number one goal is going to be our number one goal year after year after year as we develop this culture. And if we can be successful in developing a culture of caring for our employees, of compliance and communication, then that will make us a successful carrier, and that will secure our future. The mission statement is continuing to develop a strong culture. The better we do, the more work that we get from American Airlines. If we can get better and better and better at what we do, there's going to be a bright future for Piedmont Airlines.